Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to do this ceiling on the curved one. Okay, so this one very simple. You can click here, crop. No crop. Sorry, it's custom ceiling. Okay, then after that you double click on the ceiling. Okay, double click on the ceiling. You may see on top here got a layer. Okay, so then we will need to do something like this. Okay. This one originally I'll give it maybe 10 or maybe 10, so you can see the layer go up already. And now here I may draw a rectangle, so here I may draw a rectangle here. Okay, roughly a one rectangle here. Okay, and this rectangle I'll give it 300. After that we can select here or select this one, select this area, then you can bubble it on this surface. Select this surface, we can bubble it. Okay, maybe I'll put like this one is 300, right? So maybe I put 200. Okay, I should put minus or in this case minus 200. You can see the pattern, so minus 300. Okay, and here I may need to minus the size, or this one the length 500, right? So I minus the size to, wait a moment. Okay, select back this one, select again, minus 500 because this one is 500. Okay. Wow. So I try minus 800. Let's see. Okay, never mind. This one I decrease it to 10. Okay, so I select this one, minus 300. Or 400 or 600. So you can see the curve. You can see the curve. Or you also can use this function. It may help you also. Or if you want curve, really curve, okay, really curve one, you can also use this function. I delete this one here, and I delete this one here. Okay, I select the wall. In here, the wall, right? This wall I put 1. Okay, so the thickness is 1, and here I may draw a this one called rectangle. I'll draw a rectangle here. Okay, the size I'll give it 300 times 300. Okay, 200 times 300. This one I'll make it 0. And here this one, the distance I'll make it 300, so they can put curtain here. After that, right, I select here, I draw another circle. Something like this. Okay. Then I click Control, select these two. Then I right click on it. Intersect. Control Z. Okay. Select this first, then select this. Okay. Right click. Intersect. Right click. Different. Take the different. Then you can see the curve, right? And here, this one I may give the off wall to the distance to the wall. Okay, let me check about that. So this one is 6490. So I may double click back here, go back here, select this one, give it off the wall 6490. Then you can see the curve. Okay. Okay, the curve lah. This is the curve. Okay. When you add maybe ceiling, maybe the curtain, or maybe the curtain textile, add some curtain, textile, curtain, or maybe add curtain here. Okay. Then it will become similar like this lah, like the picture. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.